This is a plug-in indoor insect trap that uses blue US light to track flying insects. A quiet fan pulls the insects into the sticky glue board where they stay trapped. It's designed to use for fruit flies, gnats, small flies, some mosquitoes, other flying insects. I'll show you some pictures in a moment of what mine caught. You can add a little bit of apple cider if you want to it. Um, One I caught bugs without doing it, and then I tried it again with it. Either way, it did catch bugs. So it's easy to use. You just take off the little sticky board thing, apply it, close it up, and then you press it. Unlike a traditional bug zapper, it doesn't electrocute insects, so you don't have that loud popping noise that sometimes can scare you. It's the main features is the blue UV light. You just press the button on. There's a plug, so it is plug-in only. It's not a charger type thing. You have to keep it plugged in at all times. There's different settings you can set it for. You can just press it once, it'll stay on all day, or you can set the timer. And the number of times you click it will give you, in the instructions, it'll tell you what it equals to. So it's low noise. You can hear it, but it's low noise. It looks really nice in a house because when you catch the nets, it's at the bottom, so it's not as super visible unless you're actually looking down and looking through it, but it's dark. So it's just a kind of nice, especially in your kitchen, to not have to see the dead bugs. It's also easy to throw it away. The trap thingy, you just press the button on the side, and then it lifts, and then you can dump it without even touching it. You can just turn it upside down and dump it. So I like this one because it's easy to use. Just plug it in, no chemicals or bug spray. It's safe around kids and pets. It works continuously while you're sleeping. I recommend if you have a big house or like a pond where it tracks nets like we do, to get more than one. I have one in my kitchen, the living room. I have one upstairs. I have one in my bathroom. So it's just kind of nice to have many if you have a real bad problem. If you don't, like stay in a small apartment, you probably just need one or two. So here are my pictures. That's for my first one. And then this is where I put a little bit apple cider in my trout when I reset it. And then that's my second one where I actually caught flies.